It's getting closer and closer to Christmas time, which means we need to make our Christmas cards. And I have a simple way to get 12 beautiful cards for Christmas using this Winnie the Pooh Christmas by Echo Park, which you can find on the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. In addition, to up the level of game, we are going to be using some of the glitter and shimmer cardstock that is from the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. So the papers I'm picking from this collection are going to be super simple. I'm picking the 3 by 4 journaling cards, the Grand Snowflakes, Magical Ornaments, and Festive Friends, which is also this green background. But I'm going to use it for this side. So that's 4 pieces of paper plus some specialty paper to really up the game on these Christmas cards. So we've got the Fine Gold 12 by 12 Pearlescent Cardstock by Ninon, Red Wagon Miri Sparkle No Mess glitter paper. Now this is really thin paper. It's not cardstock, which is okay for our cards because there's going to be several layers. And then there is the Shamrock Sequin Glitter Cardstock by Encore, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. You can really see each of the individual sequins in there. Beautiful. And it sheds a little bit, but not bad. Not bad at all. And then we've got the Evergreen Miri Sparkle No Mess glitter paper. I'm a big fan of no mess glitter paper because it literally is no mess. I'm not a huge glitter person, but to make your cards stand out, this is a great, easy way to do that. We're going to start this project by cutting apart this 4 by 3 cut apart cards. And you're going to get 12 cards out of this project. And I wanted to show you some samples. So this is using the other Winnie the Pooh line that they came out with this year. And you can see how cute are these layered cards. And they have multiple layers, which really make it stand out. I think it's just adorable. So to figure out how I cut all of my paper, I try to figure out kind of how many of each row I can get. So I know that I can get 3 5 by 4s, which will be my outside mat. And I did that with all of the pattern paper once. And then I also did it with one of the green cardstocks. One of the glitter cardstocks. Then I took my colored cardstocks and I made the little mats that'll go around the photo. So I'm going to kind of show you how I did that. So these are 4 1/4 by 3 1/4, and then these are 4 1/2 by 3 1/2, and then down here are 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. So you end up getting 5 panels of the smaller size and 3 panels of the bigger size. And you really don't have that much waste, which is awesome. Got a piece here, a piece here, and a piece here, which you can absolutely use on other cards. I just won't use them on these 4 by 3 cards that we're doing today, but great scraps to keep. So I did that pretty much with all the glitter cardstock. So I've got my pile here of all the different colors in the smaller size, the medium size, and then the big size. And now it's just time to assemble, which is going to be super quick and easy. And when I look at my standard A2 card size, I'll have a white border around this mat. So make sure that these ones here, the biggest, are 5 1/4 by 4 so that you have a nice even border around your card. Now when I'm making cards, I choose to use glue. And the glue that I prefer is art glitter glue because it dries clear and quick. And you can also find that on the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. Now that I have all my panels, we're going to assemble. And I like to bring out the colors in the card that I'm using. Now I see blue here. Blue, gold, and I see a little bit of a light green. I guess I see red too. So pretty much any of these colors will work. And because I have these panels, I'm just going to use them. Make sure you're doing 5 1/4 by 4 when you're cutting. Okay, this is a white background. I don't really want a white background, so I'm going to do blue. And then should I do green? Oh, look at how cute that is. That really works well with the snowflakes kind of in the background. I really like that. So definitely that one. That looks good. And then I kind of see a brown here, but I wonder if I do green instead. No, let's do brown and maybe a gold and a red. Sometimes it's fun to layer multiple at the same time. And you're bringing out the gold here, the red here with the Christmas, with the first border, and then Pooh, and then the sled. So that's cute. This one is interesting, and I think I'm gonna go all solids on this. So let's do red and then gold. And look at how pretty that card is gonna look. And then I'll put a sentiment from the sticker sheet, probably right in the middle. And the sticker sheet has wonderful sentiments. So I could just do something like this and put it right in the middle. I could just put Christmas on there. I can do a whole bunch of stuff. So like this one would look cute. So you'll see what I decide to do with this one at the end. But I want to use all 3 of my specialty cardstocks on that one. Now the reason I picked this was because when it has a solid colored background, I kind of want the Pooh to be prominent, but also on the brown on the back side is some ornaments. So I think this looks super cute with this one. I don't even need well, it might be fun to do green. Oh yeah, look at that, brings a little bit of sparkle to this. That's cute. And adding this specialty cardstock really, I think, does a great job of bringing forth this color. Let's do gold. And I think I'm gonna do a smaller gold. Look at how cute that is. That's just adorable. Now I do have a green here. Do I want to do this green instead? Oh yeah. Ooh, okay, I have an idea. Let's do gold and then red and then this green. Yes, yes. Having the matte background really helps, I think, the sentiment pop. You are the best Christmas gift. How cute is that? Adorable. I like blue. It's cute. And then should we do a red? I'm nervous about doing any color behind this brown. I think that's cute. Well, or yes, and then I can add a little bit of that green. That green, I love this. I wish I had gotten all of these kind, because that really makes it pop. Okay, a very Pooh Bear Christmas. How cute is that? Okay, let's do a brown and then a red and a green, just to really bring in those colors. Yay. How cute is that? And I could even do, what if I did this? There, now it looks more like Christmas. Oh, I like that. Like that. Okay, 'tis the season to be jolly. Okay. Gold. Yeah, I think that looks good. Christmas isn't a season, it's a feeling. How cute. Let's do this one. Oh, or, yes, because you know the feeling of a cozy sweater. Okay, and then let's do some gold and some red. That way the green stands out. That's cute. So I'm kind of just assembling as I go. And then what I'll do is I'll take my glue and I'll put them all together on my card bases. And then I'm done. Like, how super simple is this process? I just adore it. Do red. Yeah, cute. Home for the holidays. How fun. Yes. Okay, and then put that on. Let's see. Yeah, I like the white background. Let's see. No, yeah, cool. And then the final one, the best thing about Christmas is spending it with you, which is like perfect for this Winnie the Pooh paper. And do I just want to kind of glitz it up? I want to add some red. Ooh, let's add red, because then we get the green red and then pull that red out of the Christmas word. Cute. And that's my 12 cards. I have lots of extra panels that I can use later, but that's it, my friends. So easy, so simple to do. The metallics and sparkles really make these cards pop. At the end of the video, you'll see some close-up photos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the 12x12 Cardstock Shop for more paper crafting tutorials. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.